Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add a custom message to your Mac's login screen. We know that after the update of OS X 10.7, there have been an option which allow us to add our custom message to our Mac's login screen, and we can also do it using third-party applications. But Apple has officially released this feature for the Macs running OS X 10.7 or higher, that you now have the option to add a custom message to your Mac's login screen due to some security reasons. And so here are the ways to add the custom message, and it's very easy. And we know that Apple's default login screen does not feature anything except for the users which are available on that Mac. So here are the ways to add the message. The first one is using the system preferences. What you have to do is click on the top left corner Apple logo and go to system preferences. Then click on security and privacy, as you can see in the image. And then it will, now you have to authorize yourself using the lock icon in the bottom left corner. So you will need to enter an administrator name and password. Simply do it, and then go to the general tab and enable the option to show a message when the screen is locked, as you can see in the image, and the checkbox is highlighted. So after that, click on set lock message button, and then it will show a text area for you to enter your custom message. Simply enter whatever you want to display on your login screen and click on OK. And after that, your message will be displayed on your screen. And if you want to remove this text, simply clear all the text in this text area, and your text will be removed from your login screen. And the other way is using the terminal. So now what you have to do is open up terminal on your Mac, then write this command: sudo right /libraries/preferences/com.apple.login window text here is the text that you want to put your custom text in. And so simply write whatever you want to display on your login screen and press enter, and your message will be displayed on the screen. And if you want to delete the text from the login screen using terminal, then you have to replace the custom text with you have to clear all the text in the double quotes, and your message will be ultimately removed from the login screen. And so these are the ways using which we can set our custom message to our login screen. And so guys, that is it. You now know how to set your own custom message. And so guys, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching, and do write your comments and queries in the comment section below. And thanks guys for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.